Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this super bright flashlight that I made. A while ago I showed you guys my first super bright flashlight. It was just some super bright LEDs and a heatsink and a fan to cool them. It was annoying because you had to carry it and the battery in two different pieces like this, and that wasn't very good. But this one's a lot better because it's all in one unit. We have more super bright LEDs, a bigger heatsink and fan, and a battery that's inside of it that you don't have to worry about being disconnected. Here I am in my basement at the place where I tested the last super bright flashlight. All of the lights are off in this room, and right now I'm just using my phone's flashlight. But if I turn this on, it's such a big difference. I also realized if you have a white ceiling and you shine it at the ceiling, it's like it turns the lights on in the whole room. Here I am outside, just using my phone flashlight. You can barely see the garage over there. One last thing. I've been turning down the audio so you can hear me talking easier. Let me show you what it sounds like without it turned down. Yeah, that fan is pretty loud. Well, anyways, thanks for watching.